This is my Rand McNally GPS. It's a TND 740. It's a little over 3 years old. I think I paid about $500 for it. You can buy these used online for around $200. It's a pretty good GPS, but they do have a problem where they stop charging because the battery inside of them goes bad. In this video, I'm just showing you that I have removed the internal battery and wired in a common USB cable, which I then plug in to an external battery pack I got at the truck stop. You can see the unit turns on and displays the full battery icon on the lower right side of the screen. Now I am going to unplug the GPS and show you how I wired in the USB cable. Here I've already removed the battery. You want to be careful because it is held on by tough double-sided tape and the screen is on the other side of this area. The battery has a small green board on it. You want to remove that and leave the red, black, and white wires as shown plugged in here. You do not use the white wire. This is just a common USB cable that I have exposed the red and black wires on and soldered to the red and black wires of the GPS unit. The green line indicates where I routed the USB cable out the side of the system. I recommend using hot glue to hold the wires in place. A quick note I forgot to mention, you will need a small star screwdriver similar to the one shown here to open the GPS. This is the small external battery pack I picked up from the truck stop. It's 20,000 milliamp hours and should be more than enough to keep the GPS charged the entire week. If this video was helpful to you, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Thank you.